Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer emails with Yahoo Mail, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to open a drop-down menu. Select more settings from the menu options. In the settings menu, find and click on mailboxes on the left side. Scroll down to the other mail accounts section. Click on the Add Mailbox button. Choose the type of email account you want to transfer emails from, such as Gmail or Outlook. Enter the required information for your other email account, including your username and password. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Yahoo Mail to access your other email account. Once authorized, Yahoo Mail will begin the process of importing your emails. You may receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Check your Yahoo Mail inbox to see if the imported emails are available. If needed, you can organize these emails into folders for better management. Familiarize yourself with any changes in your Yahoo Mail interface after the transfer. Remember to log out of your other email account for security purposes after completing the transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.